If you're looking for a great place to stay in Siem Reap, Cambodia, check out this IBIS Styles Siem Reap tour. I enjoy staying at this hotel. It's conveniently located across from the night market and just 2 blocks away from Pub Street. Plus, the soundproofing was excellent. I'm Sean, Queen of DC, full-time solo traveler. On this channel, I post my travel tips and adventures from around the world. If that's your vibe, subscribe. If you enjoy my videos and have gained value, please contribute to Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for your support. This is a new hotel and it's about 10 minutes away from the bus station by Tuk Tuk. The staff was pleasant, always greeting me with a smile, even at 4:30 a.m. waiting on my bus for Angkor Wat. Here's my hotel room. You walk in the door, there's a full-length mirror. Just what I like. Come here, the bathroom is to the right. We'll do that last. Come here. We have hangers and closet space. Extra pillows. There's a safe. Okay, I like that. Case, come back down below is a little more storage. Here. We have your coffee. We got a refrigerator. The bed. Very nice and cozy looking. It smells fresh in here. Come down. This is the shower over here, but it's covered. Outdoors. Come on. This is the view. We have the lobby. That's the lobby. Very nice. Turn around here. This is what it looks like. There's a mirror. And when you come into here, it's the bathroom. And the towels. This is the shower, which is pretty big. Oops. Let's head to the rooftop. Cambodia is serving some lovely views. Check out my Phnom Penh hotel review linked above for a gorgeous rooftop view of the city. Cambodia is scorching hot. A pool is a great way to cool off. You walk out the hotel door and there's the night market. They start setting up around 4 o'clock. The hotel does have a restaurant, but there are numerous restaurants and cafes within walking distance. In the opposite direction, we're headed to Pub Street. Pub Street is officially closed off to traffic. Street is the hot spot. It's bustling, lined with a variety of bars, restaurants, and pubs. It's a popular spot for tourists and locals alike, offering a mix of dining options, street performances, and nightlife entertainment. The food is plentiful and the drinks are cheap. 75-cent draft beers any time of the day, happy hour every place you go. Pub Street was a great place to relax, enjoy the live entertainment, and have a good time. If you didn't know, Cambodia uses USD and their local currency, which is called Real. Stay tuned for my video showing you how the two currencies are used together because it can be confusing. Hit the bell for notification of new videos and make sure you subscribe and like this video. As you can see, they have everything at the night market. Whatever you need, they have it. But so far, in all the places I've traveled, the best night market is Chiang Mai. They have the best night markets. The food is amazing. The shops galore. It's just, I haven't found a place that compares to Chiang Mai's night market yet, especially the food. Share your favorite night market in the comment section below. It is 4:30 a.m. in the morning. My hotel is maybe 3 blocks from Pub Street, so it must be a bar playing or a band somewhere along the street. I cannot hear it in my hotel, but not in my room. But ooh, they are loud, honey. It's about 3 mobile bars at the corner. You can see the green lights. That's where the loud music is coming from. My 4-night stay cost me $166.40. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Hit that bell for notification of new videos. Until next time, peace.